Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon.
My name is Chris.
And you're welcome to How are you? Hope we are good, we are fine. So guys, in today's video, we are doing spicy noodles challenge. Okay, first to finish, and tilapia fish egg. Okay, so come guys, let's
first
finish this food.
The challenge is first to eat finish.
Yes. So before we eat, let's pray. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. May God bless this food. You don't want us to pray. May God bless this food and sanctify it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And provide for those that don't have in Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Guys, please ignore my voice. And I'm stepping my with juice.
And my with Baba Smile.
Hey. So are you ready?
Yes.
In 3, we are going to set time. Give me your phone, let me set time. How many minutes? 30 minutes.
No, in 20 minutes.
Who's 20 minutes? We've not started. Very spicy.
Very spicy. I have medicine here. With a lot of cold chill water, man. I'm going to bring the spices down.
That one will even worse everything. How am I going to set this thing? So guys, see. I've said. So let's go. Very spicy. Hey, you will not pray.
Don't pray.
Okay, we don't pray. Guys, bite. Very spicy.
Small now. So you can't put my plenty, you can't put on small.
Just start. Now you go.
I love finish and I go soon.
Don't talk to me. This thing is spicy.
Give me tissue there.
You want to know Susie?
You know in here. This one, I just take my time. They eat them so that they go bone.
It's all made to eat. I win you, I don't win you. Eating them.
Ugly. It's like going. Although both fish dey inside though. I'm in the middle of them. Oh, my fish small. Your own be like my own. Your own, not my own. Your own be past my own 2 times.
I just say you say no, they like pepper.
Okay, I'm not 2 times. See what they like pepper now. You know how many glass of juice you don't drink? For me, I never drink anything but pepper.
That I dey see 50 now. I dey win.
Oh, see now.
If you eat your right, eat noodles finish you.
No, before.
Ayo.
Go ahead now.
I put my own. This one na head, bone.
No go home. No problem. No more food. We try to clean myself here. No problem.
I'm not give up. Never give up.
Whoa!
Finish. This one na only bone
You be
dey.
no go. You know how to scatter my own.
Maybe I scatter my hand. I've scattered my own. Drink water.
I agree.
It's close to my tongue.
Yeah?
No cough enter my mouth.
I'm trying to take this when you talk nonsense. I'll book you.
You don't know table manner. You don't have.
Anything I do, not true. That's not. I'll put that with you.
I'm bone.
No waiting. No waiting.
Baby, na bone.
See meat for ground here, make people of them chop. It's my one, see who they want. No. If you want me for the way they come out, you see they hide them.
Yeah.
In 17 minutes, 12 minutes, I don't finish.
Now this one is moving quick. This food challenge.
Alpha,
See this one to chop this
now
bone.
lie, now the head.
Now what you
This
tell
one meat
me?
not the inside. You will never even start. When I call result, see, you clear, I be not clear. You clear, no me. I might help you.
In
I agree.
10 this thing. 10 seconds. 10 minutes. Abi?
Let me chest my beer, guys.
Guys, me I win.
After this video, I'm going to wear to marry my bed. Because
Food challenge is not easy.
this weekend. Cheers, guys.
Aye. No problem, you win.
Alpha. Let's cheers to the
Wow.
At your age. Yeah, anytime when you win, that's what they do. No problem. So, guys, I have closed the video now. You only go. No problem, Sha. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Stay safe and be good. Please subscribe, like our video, share to your friends, and also follow us on our social media handle, Sharon and Chris TV on Facebook, on TikTok. Okay. See you in our next video. Bye. We love you all. Mwah.